Welcome to Hi Stylin, where I deconstruct outfits I made after eating gummies and turn them into wearable looks. This season is brought to you by Wild Huckleberry and Wild Pomegranate. Unfortunately, not sponsored. Okay, this first outfit is like half sporty, half fancy. Nothing that regular me would ever have picked out, but I actually kind of love it. I'm excited to put this one on. Okay, honestly, I liked this more when it was just an idea. But I think part of the issue is that in the picture, I had blown up the shoes and the hat really big, and then the tie-dye is really small, and now the tie-dye is just in your face. So I think I need to try to create some more balance. Okay, I switched out the hat for basically the same thing in jacket form, and I like this a lot better. The hat was actually detracting from my sparkly earrings, which made the shoes seem really random, whereas I think the jacket just ties it all together more. Even though in the picture this orange looked like it matched with the red better, and now I can see that it really clashes. Putting them right next to each other makes it at least look like the clashing is intentional. So yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all it needed. And I know the point was to make the look more wearable, so I don't know if I did that for all of us, but at least for me, I would wear this. Where would I wear it is the question. Um, I would wear this to yoga with Santa Claus. As much as I appreciate Jaime's contribution to this outfit, I'm going to declare regular me the winner, which is kind of unfair because regular me is also the judge. So let me know in the comments who you think should win this outfit, and also, are you high or not? All right, thanks for watching.